Hey, this is Christine, your DIY craftaholic. Welcome back to my channel if you're returning, and if you are new, welcome. And a happy new year, happy 2023 to you. So this video is a part of the formerly called Fourth Friday Challenge. It has been renamed First Friday Challenge. And we are kicking off this year with craft room or craft space organization. So without further ado, let's jump into what I have prepared for you today. Alright guys, so this is my crafting space. This is my stool that I sit on, and this actually is a container that came from Carolina's Cake. When my husband purchased my birthday gift, it came in that container, and as you all know, I don't throw out anything. And these are my paints, my little crafting spot right here. And as you can see, it's right next to this shelving unit that I keep stuff on for the kitchen. And I sometimes put my laptop there when I'm crafting. So this is a total mess. I need to clean that up. So guys, I'm trying to raise funds to purchase this storage slash crafting slash sewing unit for my craft space. I don't have a craft room, so whenever I need to craft, I use a corner in my kitchen because it has the perfect lighting for that. So I set up and pull down every time that I need to craft. I went searching and I found this unit on Amazon, and it's on my Buy Me a Coffee wish list. That link is in my description box below. So if you are able to donate towards my goal, I'd appreciate that very much. I haven't been doing a great job of promoting this because I forget every time. But my thing is, if you don't ask, the answer is always no. So there's that. Thank you so much. Anyone who contributes, I appreciate all your gestures. Again, that link is in my description box below, and if you click on that link, it will take you to my Buy Me a Coffee account, and you can make your donations there. Alright, so here we go. So this is a unit that I got to just do some reviews on from one of those Instagram marketers. And here, this is my ring light. Let me move that out of the way. In this cube, I have ribbons and some wooden beads got from DB Craft. In this little tub, I store my tumbling tower blocks. And here are my calendars, my stickers, this tumbling tower blocks down there, another cube with more ribbons and napkins. And under here we have more wooden beads, some of my wood stuff. Purchased this at Aldi's that I haven't used yet. And then under here we have more stuff. Trying to figure out how I'm gonna organize these. And then these are my dowels just at Lowe's. Under here we have this tub. Well, I have this tub that I have some of my stash. In this box I believe I have some flowers in there, and this box has wood from Woodpecker's Craft. This bag has some flowers. This piece of wood I purchased at Lowe's, and that I plan to use for a welcome sign. And this unit, purchased this on Amazon. It opens up like that. Here I have more stuff in here, more stuff there. This also needs to be organized. And then on this side, I have more stuff. Some of my vases, glass pieces. See? All of these can be organized better. And then over here, behind here, this is another tripod that I use sometimes. I have other roll of contact paper. That welcome sign I purchased, I still need to paint that and put it up outside. Then I have this empty storage bin. This burlap fabric I purchased at Walmart, and to use it for a table runner. And over here in this corner is a bookshelf that I store some of my projects on when I complete them. As you can see, I have those over there. And under this shelf, I have those Christmas pieces that I plan to decorate and put out. Haven't done that yet. And this box is a K-cup box that I use to make a card for my ribbons. And as you can see, on top of it needs to clean. This is a sheet of foam board, and under here I have more ribbon, and in this tub I have more stuff. Under there, more stuff. There it is, guys. So like I mentioned, this is the first Friday open challenge, and this challenge is hosted every month by Lisa from Our Grey House and Sarah from Jujubee DIY. And this month we have Tammy from the Rusted Willow. I will leave their links in the description box below, as well as the link to this awesome playlist that you are going to be inspired by just watching how we organize our space. So without further ado, let's jump into the rest of my organization. So if you are new to my channel or coming over from the playlist, welcome. I'm so happy you joined me today. Here on my channel, I do DIYs on a budget, dupes, look for less, and some occasional Dollar Tree shopping hauls and thrift flips. If you love budget-friendly DIYs like these and you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing and be sure to hit that notification bell. Hit it again and select all so YouTube notifies you whenever I upload new videos. Alright guys, so I've completed organizing the space. Now this is what it will look like when I'm crafting. Here is my webcam that's connected to my laptop over here. Sometimes I use my phone, and here is the area. I have everything right at my fingertip or within hand's reach. And there's my mouse. Click pause whenever I need to pause. So this area is done. Down here I put stuff that I need to grab at arm's length, and then when I'm not crafting, I just rearrange the space. I just place those there to give it some feeling of completeness, and then I cover the stuff, and there my shelf is all empty again for use. So that's my crafting space, guys. So now you see why I am trying to get that Armoire or that storage cabinet that I have, that video that I showed earlier, so that I can place that in this space, and then after I'm done crafting I just fold it up, and then you will never know that that's my crafting area. So now let's head to the living room. So that's it for today, guys. Let me know what you think about my organizing my craft space and my crafting stash down in the comment section below, and don't forget to check out the playlist just to see all the other amazing creators and how they have organized their space or their craft room. And guys, I'm whispering because I am trying my very best to keep my space in order. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Give this video a big thumbs up because it really helps my channel to grow. And if you love budget-friendly content like this, I suggest this video right here or this playlist. And stay safe until next time. Bye.